Hello everyone, welcome back to Goal 90 Plus. Messi, his lovely wife Antonela, and their adorable sons just had some quality family time at Ed Sheeran's concert as the football legend's off-season begins following Inter Miami's elimination from MLS playoff contention. Messi recorded footage of his kids, Mateo, Thiago, and Ciro, singing along to Sheeran's track Bad Habits from within Hard Rock Stadium in Miami on Sunday, before sharing it on Instagram. In the video, Messi, who's wearing a plain white t-shirt, can be seen smirking while listening to his children's singing voices before nodding his head to the song's beat.